Hello everybody, my name is Matt Cooper with Bob Hook Chevrolet. Today I want to go over the factory text messaging availability up on the screen. This happens to be a Chevrolet Malibu. When you're not using Apple CarPlay and you want to receive or respond to text messages coming in through the vehicle, which is right here, okay? If I click into that mailbox is grayed out, so those messages are not coming in, and they won't until we fix it. So I'm already paired up to the vehicle. You have to pair your phone first. We're going to assume that's already done. The only thing you have to do on the phone is you click into your Bluetooth, and this vehicle happens to be the Chevrolet MyLink. I hit the I under the Bluetooth that I'm connected to the vehicle, and it's very simple. You just have to turn show notifications on. Now, the text messages will come through to here, but we do have to unpair and repair first. So I'm going to go back into my phone. I'm going to say, go into that same link, Chevy MyLink, disconnect. I've disconnected here. I'm going to repair up. Give it a second to connect here. All right, so we're connected. Now I'm going back to here. My mailbox is lit up, and here's all my text messages. Going forward, when you're driving down the road and you get a text message, it'll come up here. It'll say listen, dismiss, or reply. You can do all this by voice. Again, this is not when you're using Apple CarPlay. Apple CarPlay will come all ready to go. There's no settings, but this is an option that I constantly get questions on, and people think you just can't do it with iPhone. That's how you do it with iPhone.